Hey yo, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix crashing in Zoom in only under 1 minute. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any second. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for daily tutorials. I would really appreciate it. So what you have to do is to right click on Zoom, go to properties, and then here in compatibility make sure you click on, and here only enable run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and also check this box, run this program as administrator. Click on apply and OK, and now Zoom will not crash anymore and you can enjoy using the app. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. And also, make sure you subscribe for daily tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and take care.